Unprecedented precision, quantitative edge, stunning results. This is Jensen Code. Join the community as we help you grow. Remember, it's not what you can make, but what you can keep.
Exactly. It's not what you make, but what you can keep. So let me show you how we implemented that in today's market recap. As usual, we'll be going over our morning thesis, the trade ideas for the day, and the actual trades taken. Let's first dive into the PnL and see how we did today. Looks like today we're going to be closing up the day about $715 even. Took it a little bit lighter today, as you can see there, and we're about 64% profitable. So not bad, not a bad day at all, especially going a little bit lighter sized, and we'll discuss that here in a sec. Let's go over the morning thesis. Back over here, wrong one. Okay, let's go over the morning thesis, which we discuss live for our members each and every single day. So if you're interested in learning more about the community, I'll briefly go over details later in the video, so be sure to stick around to the end so you can take a look for yourself. As for the morning thesis today, let's go over the SPY key levels. So we post an image every morning, what the pre-market looks like for our members. Go ahead, SPY range today. It was actually kind of cool. These days are great where we can narrow it down to a single number where you can keep all eyes on. For today, that was this number right here, 399.41. We'll show that here in the chart. So SPY range today is simply narrowed down. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. Simply narrowed down to 399.41, which equates to 40.38.25 on the ES for you futures traders, which is what we mainly trade here. SPY bulls are happy with the recent success and looking to pile on the gains. In order to do so, they must stay above the range today. SPY bulls will be looking to keep all 15-minute closes above, followed by a 60-minute close above SPY 403.50. Notice that is right here. Okay, 403.50. It's right there. That's what the target they're trying to get to close above. And as I'm making this video, we're about 5 minutes away from that. Let's see if they can achieve that while we're on this video or not. Let's go over to the chart and take a quick peek. So here is the SPY chart for today. As we were opening, we pushed up against that level. And right now we're battling that 60-minute close as we speak. So let's see if they can get that. And that will go ahead and make them, put them in a run, put them in the mood to make a run for it right here. Go to the vacuum pocket higher to 405.91 or 41.08 ES. So that would be this one here. So that was the morning report, and we go through that and talk details on exactly what to look for and how it'll occur. We talk about that in the live call every day with our morning members. Back to the chart. This is where we're now. Let's go over the actual trades taken. We trade the ES. I believe it is a great product to trade. And quick side note here for you guys, if you guys want to get a chance to take a look at the morning report prior to the market open, we are posting it here under the Minds section. So you would want to come into your trading view, type in ESH2023, and then under the Minds section, which is this little icon right here, you guys can see. Click on that. You'll see that prior to market open, so you guys can take advantage of this as well. We're currently providing that free for everyone to take a look. And then we do the recap on these recaps every night. As far as for the active trades and stuff, you would have to sign up to be a member. We could discuss that later in the video. So for today, market opened right here, 7:30 is market open. Now, if you go through and read through the report, you'll see here, SPY bears section today. Okay, I'll zoom in that for you guys. So this will come by way of SPY bears not printing or not touching 40.71. Okay, what's that look like? So right here on the initial push, notice we did not touch that 40.71. Immediately, myself and the moderator got short. I unfortunately wasn't heavy enough. I was still releasing the report to the members and answering questions. So again, administrative tasks, stuff I got to handle as the one leading, right? So glad to see our moderator took that. He was able to ride that down all the way. I was very undersized. Again, I was answering questions, so I entered that short and I was out like by right there. I only had 3 contracts on, so unfortunately, got to take profits when the market gives it to you. No reason to be greedy. I got undersized. Didn't get enough of a back test for a re-ed. So there goes my first trade of the day. It was right there. It was like right in here. It was short. First trade, done. Now we wait. Here's a key portion, right, where people are going to mess up. People mess up when there's a short in the whole scenario. Okay, so you have any key level you want to take, whatever you use, VWAP, averages, etc. You see it starts to break. Most people are going to pile on short. That's called shorting in the hole. You don't want to do that. You wait for the first back test, first run up. In this case was here. And at the time, our indicator, you can see where it says sell signal right here. At the time, our indicator, remember we have custom AI bots working with us. So what we have here is a stop like so. This is the stop for the short. You want to see that push, clear it, back test, and hold and run if it's going to become bullish. Otherwise, you are just looking for it to back test and fail, which it did right here. So perfect. I was answering questions and I was unable to take that trade. As soon as we got down to this area here, though, we broke through, finally printed a new low. Very first back test here, I went ahead and jumped in short number 2. So this is trade number 2 for me. Jumped in short, took some profit as we dipped, as we pushed back up. This is just a liquidity portion. You're going to get a normal fluctuation around the level. We want until a new low is hit of the recent consolidation. Nothing to worry about. Added short to that one, took more profits, and it took more profits on the next flush, which is right there. Once we saw that new low print and start to push back up, went ahead and stopped out the rest of the position as we broke back above. And that was a profitable profit stop in that. Oh, that was it for me. No other trades outside of that. Called it a day. And we did go ahead and get another buy signal here from our AI. It was very nice, still holding well. And one final one for an add back or new entry here. No trades for me during this zone though. Taking it easy as we close out the week. I did have that red trade. For those of you who saw the recap a couple days ago, that's the one that I'm taking it easy now to recoup that, making sure the mental edge is always intact. More importantly than your financial capital is your mental capital. And I do protect that very well. We discuss psychology in our rooms. We do discuss that in our weekly mentor sessions as well. Very, very important part of trading. And I would say a good 70-80% of trading, investing in general, is psychological. So keep that in mind. And for that, that's pretty much the bulk of the trades today. Kind of a short recap. But if we do start to roll over here and get another sell signal, so those of you who have a chance to watch this before the market closes today, this is price point 40.52 or so. Our AI will give us an exact number here at some point. Once that does, you see that point, which is called fail points. Once we get a fail point, we'll go ahead and see if we can crack this white line again and begin to start to roll over. Outside of that, probably done for the day. No other trades. Overall, great day. Happy with today's action. Again, you guys want to take a look at the morning report every day, come on in, look for it here in the mind. Be sure to give us an upvote. That would be great. That keeps us putting this out for free for you guys. So outside of that, let us know how you did. Be sure to comment down below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish on the market? What are you looking for? Are you excited for FOMC? See what Powell says, or tomorrow's data is being released. Let us know. Comment down below. Like the video. Thank you guys for watching. And well, that was it for today's opportunities. Like what you see, come join the community and be part of an environment built from the ground up to provide sustainable long-term results and help traders keep profits made. Learn the markets with us and venture into the world of AI-driven success. I'm sure tomorrow will provide some good opportunities. And remember, it's not what you make, but what you can keep.
Our AI and indicators are designed for high accuracy and success, even for beginner traders. Listen in on our daily live calls where we cover our trading thesis and guide you through our live trades. Need advice on things like risk management and trade ideas? Join us in our weekly meetings where you can ask us anything. Like what you see? Then join the community and use the tools we offer for your success.